Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kazam Sen, roll number 49, and today my topic of presentation is secure mobile application development. First of all, let's head to the introduction. As you know, we live in the modern society of technology in which mobile applications have been essential part of our lives because mobile applications are handling sensitive data of the users. Protecting this sensitive data is necessary for maintaining the trust of the users. Some of the techniques I will discuss in this presentation. First technique is data encryption. Encryption of sensitive data stored on the device and during transmission of the through networks. As you know, we transmit the data of the apps through the networks, so the data encryption is an important part of our data security in mobile applications. This can be done by using encryption algorithms like AES and RSA. AES is the encryption technique in which asymmetric keys are used, which means one key is public key and the other key is private key. Public key will be used to encrypt the data to send to the user, and the private key will be used to decrypt that data and read the code. RSA is the symmetric key cryptography in which single key is used for encrypting and decrypting the data. Data encryption technique can also protect the data if the device is stolen, lost, because the data cannot be recovered without a decryption key, or a founder of the mobile cannot read the data without the decryption key. Second technique is the secure authentication. Implementing secure authentication mechanisms. Some of them are fingerprint, face recognition, and multi-factor authentication. Face recognition and fingerprint are the biometrics, and the multi-factor authentication can also be used in which your mobile number or email can be used for multi-factor authentication. Using secure authentication prevents the unauthorized access to the application, accounts, and sensitive data inside it. Let's head to our third technique. Third technique is the secure data storage. Secure data storage of important and sensitive data using encryption and secure storage APIs. The secure storage APIs can be used for the data storage. For example, iOS keychain and Android keystore. iOS keychain can be used in Apple mobiles, and Android keystore is used in Android mobiles. It also protects the application data which is stored in the internal storage of the device at rest. Fourth technique is the code puzzlement. Tangle the code to make it more difficult for the attackers to reverse engineer the code, the app, and uncover sensitive information. So this is a technique in which we tangle the code to make it more difficult to reverse engineer or for the hackers to decrypt the data. This purpose can be achieved by using tools and techniques for code obfuscation such as ProGuard and string encryption. ProGuard is the method in which this tool renames in which classes, fields, and methods are renamed to less descriptive names, making the code harder to understand. And the other one is string encryption, encrypting strings in the code and decrypting at runtime. And our fifth technique is secure network communication. Using secure communication protocols like HTTPS. If we use the simple HTTP, it sends the plain text through the network. If we use HTTPS, it sends the encrypted text and credentials through the networks, making it hard for the attackers to reveal the information. Encryption of the data transmitted between the app and backend servers. It prevents the eavesdropping and man in the middle attacks as well. Our sixth technique is secure input handling. This process includes validating and sanitizing the user inputs to prevent security-related vulnerabilities. For example, input validation to prevent injection attacks like SQL injection and XSS. SQL injection is the method in which database of the app is hacked and the data is revealed. And XSS is the technique in which in the search bar of an application we can put some code of PHP or JavaScript, and then if we search it will reveal the information, run the code in the app and reveal the information of the users. It helps to prevent the malicious inputs that could result in compromising application security. Let's head to another security protocol of securing data in mobile applications. This is regular security updates. This technique is about keeping the app up to date with security patches and latest updates. If we send latest security patches and updates to the app every month or every week, address newly discovered vulnerabilities promptly, ensure timely deployment of security updates. And our last step is security testing. This technique is about conducting security testing of the app to identify and fix vulnerabilities. It includes penetration testing, code reviews, and automated testing. Better security measurement of the app can be achieved by conducting complete security testing throughout the development cycle of the app. Conclusion is that data security is most essential for mobile applications. Implementing best practices protects user data and maintains trust. Data security should be prioritized in the app development process. That's all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.